Today, I'm going to walk you guys through the most important part in this whole series, and that's upselling. We want to make sure that we are providing as much value to these business owners as possible, and that comes with upselling them other services. If you just sell someone a website, but on the back end of Go High Level, we have all of these different services that we can slowly dish out to them to help them increase their revenue in their company. So today I'm going to break it down for you guys, bring you over to a Figma page I have over here, and walk you through the fundamentals of upselling, because you've already paid for the cost to acquire this customer. So what we need to do now is we need to make sure that we increase the profit margin from this customer. So we do that by offering them services on top of what they're already paying for. So this is great with Go High Level because we have a lot of services we can offer them. And that's the great part and what I'm gonna walk you through today. We're not just gonna call them and offer them a service right away. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be strategic about this. We're gonna reach out to them, ask if they need any work done on their website or whatever other service that you gave them already, the initial foot in the door service. At that point, when we're on the phone with them, we've built up some rapport with them and they trust us. So we want to kind of ask a little bit about their business and kind of find out what is their pain points inside their company, because we know we have a toolbox full of services that can help them get more leads, lead nurturing, missed call text back. We have all of these tools at our disposal, so we want to slowly kind of diagnose these problems that they have in their business. For example, when you go into the doctor's office, they sit there and they diagnose you. And they ask you questions and try to figure out what's going on and then write a prescription for you. So that's essentially what we're going to be doing here with them. As we're listening to their problems, we're asking them questions about how the flow of traffic is to their website, how their lead nurturing campaign is, how their drip email campaign sequence is going, how their SMS outbounds are going, and we just want to learn as much as we can about their business. At this point, you're going to craft a tailor-made solution for their specific problems. This is great because not only can you help them out, they're helping you out by increasing the amount that they're spending with you. I would always recommend that you offer these as a monthly service. If you need help on what to offer, you can look at the graph that I've made down below. We're going to go over it in a minute. As always, I'm going to walk you guys through step by step on this strategy. Like I mentioned earlier, the purpose of this call is more of a discovery call. We're just kind of touching base with them, making sure that their lead forms are being filled out properly on their website. And if they have any issues closing, or if clients are dropping off in the process, maybe they need to be touched a few more times along the way, just keep asking questions, and eventually this business owner will just tell you their problems because it's definitely top of mind. What I like to do is kind of talk to them business owner to business owner. Don't try to force sell them any one type of service. I know you have this huge toolkit of services that you can sell them, but the whole point here is to really narrow in on what problem they have, what pain point, and then make it feel like it's a custom offer for their specific problem to solve that and make them more revenue. Let's go over to the Go High Level services, and there I'm going to show you guys exactly how to follow this chain. So I like to have this graph up for my cold callers. So the first thing you can do is kind of get an idea of where this customer stands. If you're looking at a client's Google My Business and you're the one that provided them the website, then you maybe know that they don't have anything down chain of the website. For example, they weren't getting lead-in forms, and then all of a sudden you built them a website, and now they have traffic to their website, more people are clicking their Google My Business, then what's gonna happen is they're gonna be getting more customers filling out forms, then they will need automations down the line. So another thing you can look at is if their reviews are on point. As they're gonna be getting more Google My Business reviews, they're also gonna be getting some lower ratings as well. So we really wanna make sure that this company is in good standings on Google My Business so it gets clicked more and they're seen more often by the algorithm. So the first thing I like to look at when I'm looking at a company is, do they have low reviews? If they have low reviews, then you can definitely offer them a solution for this by offering the review management. And this is something that you do monthly where you send out a specific automation to their current email list. With this automation, all you really have to do is plug in their email list for that month, and then it will shoot out a quick survey for their customers to take. Now, the great part about this automation is that if anyone leaves a 1 to 3 star rating on this, it actually won't post it to Google Reviews. What it will do is it will send them another survey and say, oh, why did we perform low? and you can get some really good feedback for the company, which I like to include as a bonus to what they're getting with the review management. Now, if their customer does leave a 4 or 5-star rating, then what happens is it automatically posts their review right to Google through that, and there's a link they can click to get into it. So it's a 2-step process. If this review management automation sounds great, I have it in a snapshot and I'll be able to give it to you guys. Just comment below if you guys want it. Moving to the next step. Some niches require different solutions. So the HVAC companies that I work with, we definitely use missed call text back quite a bit, because if they're a solopreneur, they're an AC repairman, they're out by themselves, they can't answer the phone, it's a really quick automation that automatically keeps their lead hot while they're on a service. If they're in a service with a client, they're not really able to answer the phone, and they don't have enough money to buy a dedicated person to sit on the phones at an office. So what this does is it enables them to keep in contact with that specific lead. With these solutions, I would charge anywhere from $50 to $100 a month plus SMS fees. There's a nuance to the SMS fees. Inside of Go High Level, since it's your agency and you're buying these SMS from Lead Connector, which is a Go High Level service, you can actually scale on your end how much the client is paying for the SMS. Because since you have to get in there and set it all up, you may be only paying a fraction of a cent for these SMSs, but in your contract to your client, you can charge them 1 to 2 cents because you have to monitor it, and the actual liability could lay on you because it is your Lead Connector account that has these phone numbers in it. Another great service that you can upsell them is database reactivation. Database reactivation is great because we're taking a client list of emails, dumping them inside of an automation that we have built, and it automatically blasts out a email campaign to them. Depending on what niche you're in, this could be great. Some of these niches, like AC repair, maybe not the greatest for this because your AC only goes out once in a year maybe, and it's not something people come back for. But if you're in a niche like hair salons or beauty salons, nail salons, any of those niches, these are great and work amazing. I have a few clients that have this set up and they are crushing it. You can price these out monthly. All it takes you to do is drop their email list into this automation and it automatically blasts them all out. Now, you do need to tailor specific these for every single holiday, which very easy to do. Just change up the copy. If you really need help with any type of email marketing, a great place for this is GPT-4. Just go on OpenAI, go to GPT-4. There's a few new plugins that will really help you out with email marketing. Okay, so we go over to ChatGPT-4. There are new custom GPTs here that are really amazing, so I would definitely take a look at it if you can. So there's this one that I've been using. It's called Email Marketing Copywriter. I'll leave a link below, but pretty much we just give them the website of our specific beauty salon, and from there we tell it to create an email marketing campaign, database reactivation campaign, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and paste that here. We've given it the website. Once we hit enter, it goes ahead and actually pulls up the website, pulls all the data off of the landing page and gets the copy. And look, it says, based on the IGK Hair website, the company offers a range of hair care products, including shampoos, conditioners, styling products, hair color kits, and more. They focus on salon quality results, cruelty-free and vegan-friendly formulations. The database reactivation campaign for a beauty salon company offering a 10% discount can be tailored to highlight these strengths and appeal to their target audience. Email sequence database reactivation campaign for IGK Hair. Welcome back offer. Miss us, exclusive 10% off inside. We have the subject line. We have the preview text. Revive your locks with salon quality care. Limited time. Little urgency built in there. As marketers, we love that. Banner header. Welcome back to Fabulous Hair. Rediscover the magic of IGK Hair. So you have all of these different banner subheadlines. Banner call to action is your discount or your offer. And we get down to the body text. We've missed you at IGK Hair. Dive back into the world of luxurious, cruelty-free hair with an exclusive 10% off your next purchase. Whether it's the best-selling smooth spray or the latest hair color innovation, your perfect hair day is just a click away. Offer ends soon. Don't wait. A little more urgency built in there. As we know as marketers, that's great. So we have 5 different emails here. And what they're going to do is they are going to be following a sequence. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trying to get these people in. Now you just copy these right over and you're good to go for your client. If you guys want any help, tips, or tricks with any of the processes I've gone over in this series, go ahead and comment below or follow my links in the description, and they'll take you to my private Discord. I also have built a free course for you guys on Go High Level, and that's available totally free. So like I mentioned, with the use of GPT-4, this is a very simple upsell and literally takes about 5 to 10 minutes to create. And you can upsell that for multiple hundreds of dollars depending on your client's budget. Now, like I said, this is great around the holidays and any specific need that the company wants. The next step is, do they need email marketing? As I just showed you, you can definitely provide some high quality email marketing to these clients for little to no effort on your part. You just need to know what their landing page looks like. And since you designed it, it's really easy to plug into GPT and come out with a few email sequences. I would say that don't just copy and paste everything off of GPT. Obviously, you want to pull it out, see if it fits, and work with it a little bit to make sure it fits your client's needs, because GPT sometimes can be hit or miss, but I do think it's a great starting off point for most email sequences. And the last one, if they need any other type of automation, like I said, try to tailor fit this to their specific problems or pain points. And as you get better at Go High Level, you're definitely going to see different services that you'll be able to offer your companies. And once you get more familiar with the process, you'll definitely be able to custom fit them to their needs. I hope you guys enjoyed this 3-part series that I made for you guys on exactly how to procure your list on part 1, how to make cold calls and demo calls on part 2, and part 3, how to upsell them after they're already a client. If you guys want to hear anything else, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.